If you need Chapter 13 bankruptcy protection, what do you have to do to qualify? How can you qualify? That's the question. Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and I get that question quite often. And I usually answer it by asking a question, and that question is, if you were current on your mortgage, would you be able to make the payment? Because if the reason you need Chapter 13 protection is because you're behind on your mortgage payment, you've got to be able to make the ongoing mortgage payment in order to do a Chapter 13 and still keep your house, which is what you want to do. So you make your ongoing mortgage payment, and then all the past due amount can be placed in a very affordable plan instead of having to pay it all at once. That's kind of the way it works. Now, the other thing that Chapter 13 can do in this situation, it can greatly increase your cash flow. Take, for example, if your income was $3,000 a month, and your expenses was, say, $3,500. So in effect, you're $500 short every month. In other words, your bills, your debts, to pay them and make the minimum payment costs $3,500 a month, and your income is only $3,000. Well, Chapter 13 allows you to consolidate all those bills into an amount you can afford so that everybody gets paid, everybody's happy. You can meet your expenses, you can pay your house payment, you can make your car payment, you can keep all your property and still meet all your expenses. That's the way it works. So it's a very powerful weapon for increasing cash flow, for retention of assets, and for controlling creditors and keeping creditors away from your assets. So if you're interested in any of those things, Chapter 13 just might be your answer. Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you need Chapter 13 protection, you're just having financial difficulties, I'd love to talk with you about that, folks. Call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.